they can't resist you. No matter how hard they try, inside yearns for you in regards to this individual. In the past, they had access to you, easy access to you. You know, they had access to you when there should have been boundaries. Because this individual, they chose to manipulate the circumstances in order to be around you. Maybe they were supposed to be around you for a time, and when you transformed into a new timeline, this person was left in the past, and they want things to be how they used to be, but it is no more. This person is stuck on how you used to be when they were in heavy interaction with you. They're resisting the change. They're resisting the urge to give, to call, to be around you. They feel the shift. They feel like things are no more. Maybe for some of you, this individual was in a position of power. Maybe this is an ex-partner for some of you, whereby they weren't doing so well and you supported them during that hard time. Then when they got into a position of power, it was almost as if they acted like they didn't know you. They thought they were better than you, where you were there at their darkest time. And it may have led to a separation. And now this individual has got the money, they've got the career, but they haven't got you. And they miss you. For others of you, I feel like this person has strong feelings for you, but due to circumstances, they cannot let you know about how they feel for you. And they feel like if they make the wrong move, then the cat's going to get let out the bag. So they're holding back on their emotions, not wanting to give anything away. They're looking back on the past as to how they behaved around you, what people may have thought. Did they act very obvious? And yes, they did. And they are cringing with embarrassment because they think of all the times that they put their feelings on display. And something about this individual feels like you and them can never be, or you and them can never be again. And they are trying so hard not to have feelings for you. For some of you, they're choosing to keep away from you because they feel like the feelings are too strong. You know, in the past, they may have stooped to underhanded means to get close to you. And it's almost as if spirit is blocking them from doing these things anymore. They're trying to keep things together. And they're trying to recreate the past. But it's not happening. They're sensing that you have pulled away. Some of you have walked away. Or this person senses the energetic shift within you. Something has changed. You know, this person was used to you being blocked and stagnant in a state, maybe in a place, and you have awoken. And because you have awoken, your needs and wants have changed. And this includes this individual. You've left this person in an old timeline and they can't cope. They literally can't cope. They want a new beginning with you, but Spirit said it's not going to happen. You know, that cycle's come to an end. This person's still stuck on how things used to be. For some of you, unfortunately, this person has tried to use the art of manipulation. They've tried to use spell work to try and get you back, because they can't believe that the situation is over. You know, They can't believe that you've grown cold. And even if you are within this person's presence, they can sense the shift, and they're trying everything to hold back their emotions, not let it be so obvious that they are fixated on you, that they want a new beginning with you. So they're acting as if they're okay with how things are. You know, they're okay with the fact that you're going towards your happiness. You have stepped in to your power. You're more confident now. And that's one of the reasons why Spirit intervened in the situation, because this person was tampering with your destiny, whether knowingly or unknowingly. And I feel like they knew they were. You know, this person was tampering with your destiny because they felt like if you grew confident within yourself, then you will leave them behind. And it highlighted to them that they weren't supposed to be a part of the journey anymore. You know, take what resonates for each and every one of you. You all have different situations, but this individual was supposed to be in your life for a time, and they were supposed to go their way, and you were supposed to, you know, do the healing work on yourself and become the person that you are becoming, or that you are in the now. And they foresaw this, but their fear was you're going to leave them behind. So they try to stagnate you. They try to keep you stuck in a mindset of you needing them, of stagnation, so that you wouldn't grow. They were very selfish. This could be anyone. This could be family members. This could be someone that's got a secret crush on you. This could be a ex-partner. They wanted to hold you back, but they can't dictate your destiny. You're going towards happiness. You're going towards a family life. You know, someone tried to block your blessings, but Spirit's saying, not on my watch. They're trying to resist the change, but